Hi there, welcome back to my channel, where we tackle complex words to make them simple and easy to pronounce with its meaning. Today's word is a tricky one, ankylosing spondylitis. This word is often mispronounced as ankylosing spondylitis or ankylosing spondylitis. But don't worry, we'll get the correct pronunciation. The correct pronunciation is ankylosing spondylitis. Let's break it down step by step. First part, ankylosing, not anky, but anku, and emphasize the low. Second part, spondylitis, like spond, then duh, and litis. When you say it together, ankylosing spondylitis. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Ankylosing. Spondylitis. Again, slowly. Ankylosing. Spondylitis. Now let's try it faster. Ankylosing spondylitis. Great job. Ankylosing spondylitis is a type of arthritis that primarily affects the spine, causing pain and stiffness. Over time, it can even cause the vertebrae to fuse together. Now you know how to pronounce ankylosing spondylitis and a little bit about what it means. If you enjoyed learning this, please give this video a like and share it with anyone who might find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation videos and leave a comment if there's a word you want me to cover next. See you soon!